Okay, today we're going to do some subtraction, but not just any subtraction. We're going to subtract from numbers ending in zeros. I'm going to show you an easier way, a way to remember how to do it. So let's start in the original way. How do we subtract? Let's see. So here I've got 900, take away 58. So normally we'll say 0, take away 8. We can't do that because if I have nothing in my hand, can I take 8 sweets away from nothing? No. So what do? We normally say we go next door. The correct way to say is we're going to the next column, which is our tens column, the next bigger column. Now when I'm in school and I'm teaching, I always tell them we go and ask the next teacher next door. But I also will tell them we're going to the next column. So let's go to the next column. That's our next column. But there's nothing there as well. So what should I do? I go to the next higher column, which is my hundreds column. Let's label these columns. Hundreds, tens, and ones. I've got nothing in the ones. I borrow from the next column. There's nothing as well. I go to the next column. So I'm going to ask them for 1. They give me 1. What do? I take 1 away from the 9, which means I'm left with 8. Where do I put that 1? I put it right next door in the tens column. Now, what children sometimes make the mistake is they go take that 1 and they put it in the ones because they need 1 extra in the ones column. No, you do not jump over columns. You just go to the column next door. Right, now we go back to the beginning. 0, take away 8. We can't do that. We found out it is too small. So we go to the tens column. So let's go back to the tens column. So I'll go there. What is this new number? Ah, it's a 10. So now I know I can take 1 away from the 10. So 10 tens, take away 1 10. I'm left with 9 tens. The 1 I took away, I put it here. So now I have a new number, which is 10. So now I can say 10, take away 8 is 2. Very good. 9 take away 5 is 4. Well done. 8 take away nothing. I'm left with 8. So my answer is 842, which is correct. But if children forget, if you forget to not write it there and you jumped over and put it in the ones column, your answer will not be correct down below. So this can be tricky. If you're confident with that, do it. But I'm going to show you an easier method. So stay with me. Right, I've got 900, take away 58, exactly the same as this one. Now with this one, we borrowed and we had to go back to the beginning and start again because we do not want to lose any of our numbers, which can be quite confusing with all these taking away and adding and things like that. Now I'm going to show you a different method. So I've got 0, I need to take 8 away. We found out we cannot do it because 0 take away 8, we cannot do it. So what do? We go to the next column, the tens column. Is there anything there to take away from? No, that number is also too small. So we go to the next column. So we've got now, if I put it in the box so you can see the number. What is that number now? Yes, it is 90. 90 hundreds. Right, so what am I going to do? I'm now going to tell myself, what is 90? Take away 1. 90 take away 1 is 89. So I'm going to put 89 up there. And the one that I took away that they are giving me, I'm putting it here. So my new number now is 10. So what is 10 take away 8? 10 take away 8 is, right, so 10 take away 8 is 2. Let's put that 2 there. 9 take away 5 is 4. 8 take away nothing is 8. Our answers are exactly the same. Now, which method do you think was easier to do? I think that one is easier because we didn't have to go back and back again to complete the sum. So what you do is you draw a line under the first 0, found out you can't do it, go to the next one, and you draw this line until you find a column where you can actually take a number away from. Box it up, and now you use that whole number to complete your sum. Let's do another one together. Right, this time I've got 700, take away 137. Let's work it out. Right, 0 take away 7. We know we cannot do that. So we jump to the next column, which is our tens column. We ask them to borrow us 1. Oops, they also don't have enough to give us anything. So we go to the next column. Ah, yes, they've got a bigger number. We can ask the hundreds column. Let's stop there and box it up. Right, so what is 70 take away 1? 70 take away 1, there's the one I'm taking away. 70 take away 1 is 69. And I put 6 in the hundreds column, 9 in the tens column. So now I can say 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. 6 take away 1 is 5. Let's try the traditional method and see if we get to the same answer. Let's see. So 700, hundreds, tens and ones, take away 137. Right, 0 take away 7 we cannot do. We go to the next column. We cannot do that either. We go to the next column, which is 7. So 7 take away 1. Let's put the 1 we borrowed in the next column next door. And we're left with 6. Right, let's go back to the beginning. 0 take away 1. We cannot do it. So let's borrow from the tens column. 10 take away 1 is 9. I put the 1 I've borrowed and now I have 10. So 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. 6 take away 1 is 5. 563, 563. Both exactly the same answer. But which method was quicker and easier to do? I think it's our new boxed method. Right, I would like you to, I'm going to write a few sums down. And I want you to pause the video then. Right, I'd like you to pause the video, write these two equations down, and then use the boxed method to work it out. You can then check it using the original method. Good. Let's do it together now. Now that you've worked it out, let's see if we come to the same answer. 0 take away 7 is, we can't do it. So we go next door. We can't take anything from the tens column. So we go to the next column. Ah, there's a 4. So we can use that. So let's box him up. So what is 40 take away 1? 40 take away 1. I'm going to put the 1 there that I'm taking. I'm left with 39. Now I can say 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 5 is 4. 3 take away 3 is 0. And 1 take away nothing is 1. Did you get the same answer? Well done. Let's try the next one. 0 take away 8. We know we cannot. The number is too small. We go to the next column. Oops, that is also too small. Let's go to the next one. Yes, there is a number there. So what is 20 take away 1? 20 take away 1. Let's put our 1 first before we forget. I'm left with 19. 10 take away 8 is 2. 9 take away 9 is 0. 1 take away 5. Oops, I cannot do that. I need to borrow from my next column, which is my thousands column. So I'm going to take 1 away from my 2000s. I'll put it there. And I'm left with 1 here. So 11 take away 5 is 6. 1 take away nothing is 1. So did you get to the same answer? 1602. Well done if you got that correct. This time we have 3 zeros. Let's see if the same method applies. 0 take away 5. We know now we cannot do that. So we're going to borrow next door. It is still too small. It's also a 0. Can't do that. So we go next door. Oops, even the hundreds are 0. We cannot do it. So we carry on until we find a number with a bigger value. Aha, we've got a 7. So all the numbers I've underlined, I'm going to box it up. That's why it's called the boxed method. Now I need to take 1 away from 700. Let's put the 1 there first before I forget. So 700 take away 1 is 699. So now I can say 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 8 is 1. 9 take away 9 is 0. 6 take away nothing. I'm left with 6. So my answer is 6,015. Right, now remember, I continued with my line until I found a number that had a bigger value than my 0. Right, I want you to write the sum down. So pause the video, write down this equation and then work it out. Good. Let's see if you've got the same as me. So 0 take away 2, we cannot do it, so we need to borrow. So let's go and borrow from the tens column. Oops, there's nothing there as well. Let's go to the hundreds column. Oops, even the hundreds have nothing to borrow us. Let's continue. Aha, the thousands have something there. They have 9,000. So we are going to box it up all the way until we stopped for when we got the 9. So now we need to take away 1 from 9,000. So let's put the 1 there. So 900, 900. This looks like a 900, so we're going to stick to that. We know it's 9,000 because it's in the thousands columns. But we're going to say it's 900. Take away 1 leaves me with 899. Now I say 10 take away 2 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1. 9 take away 7 is 2. 8 take away 1 is 7. 7,218. Let's try the original method and just see if we get to the same answer. 8, 1, 2, 7. Let's see. So 9,000 take away 1,782. Right, so I've got nothing there. Borrow 1 from the thousands. I've got 8 left. I've put it there. I need to borrow 1 from the 10. I'm left with 9. I put it there. I borrow 1 from the 10. I've got 9. I put it there. Right, so now I've got 10. Now can you see there? 8, 9, 9. It's the same as this. 8, 9, 9. Right, so 10 take away 2 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1. 9 take away 7 is 2. 8 take away 1 is 7. 7,218. 7,218. It's exactly the same answer. But this method went much quicker and it's easier to see than all these numbers that you've crossed out. It's less confusing. So I'd like you to continue practicing with these and then complete your quiz. Right, hope you enjoyed that and you found it useful. Bye for now.